Hey, back with another review of this push mower Turo or something. But anyways, 6.5 liter, 149 cc's. Got your oils in there, you got your cap. When you push that in, it self-repels. That means the wheels turn while you walk. Then you pull that, then the mower boy come on and blah blah blah. Cuts grass, obviously. You know, this thing, it locks and unlocks. Quick wash it. Wash all the inside where the blades are if you have a problem with it spinning. See where the gas level's at. So it'll open. Yikes. Jeez, I almost didn't know. Gas level's good enough. Got your turn up button there. Loose things to unlock it so you can turn into cut-in mode. Oil's good. Turn that on. People on dirt bikes, God, they drive me crazy. Don't need to go by a place going like 120 and there's little kids on the road probably. Like, people driving by ridiculous. Like, go fuck yourself. Who does that? Like, dumb. Anyways, whatever. There it is. Cutting grass mode! RK Go Carter free out. Subscribe for more. I'm sorry if I didn't post in a while. Anyways, have a good night. Bye. RK Go Carter free out.